Hi guys, welcome back to Movie Mad. Today we've got a microphone, it's my birthday, and we've got a sleeping puppy.
We do, yeah.
He's so cute. So we're going to do pickups and stuff. Are we showing the...
Yeah.
Okay. So the first one we got from Eastwood's 250 subscriber competition.
Eastwood for life.
Eastwood for life, yeah. And so if you want to go and check that out, my dad will link it down below. It was a video they had to send to him.
And I
And you won it.
And I got third place.
It's third.
Third place. If
You told me you got first.
I didn't get first place, I got third place.
Yeah, you told me that. Right.
So you can open up and see what I won.
And it's...
Don't show his address on the camera, please, Molly. Or mine.
Don't show ours either.
Music
Right,
Mac
go.
Guy.
It's not good, right, go. I like to show my address. Doesn't really matter. If anyone wants to send me anything there, feel free.
Then they'll probably come to our house.
So what did I get, Molly?
It's Captain Bubble Wrap, but it's an Avengers movie.
It's not an Avengers
Marvel.
movie. It's Marvel series.
A Marvel series.
I
never knew one.
Well, you've got to put that down because you can't do two with two hands. So, open it carefully. Open it carefully.
I can't even open it. The amount of presents I opened this morning was very little. But a lot of money was spent on me. Can't even get open.
Be careful.
I might need scissors. Hold on, got it.
Don't break my thing.
I've got it there. It feels like a steelbook.
Right, I'll pause it because we're having technical difficulties.
Beep. So we got the Luke Cage complete first series. Or season. And Marvel.
Yeah, have
I
a look.
think I've seen a few bits of that.
You have. When I've been watching it and you're not allowed to.
Haven't I? Sure.
Okay, but we got that from Eastwood for Life, so thank you very much for the prize competition.
Huge shout out to you.
Thank you.
And if you want a link to the video right now, my dad will put an eye icon if you can figure it out up there.
Okay, right. Listen.
Okay. And so went into the Bethany shop today.
Molly, you're going to need to put that down, it's not working out.
Okay. Turn off.
Just because you wait to test out your birthday present, what your birthday present say.
I've been testing it out about five times today. So we went to the Bethany shop, and it feels weird talking about that now. So we went to the Bethany shop, and like the Marvel first impression.
Don't do your impression again because we've already done it.
I might do it again because it's just fun. So we went to the Bethany shop, and there was 10, all the VHSs in there were 50p each, or 10 for £1.50, which is a pretty good deal.
And I wanted 3, so I just bought 10.
10 random ones.
They're not random.
So we got the Fox and the Hound. These are all Disney classics, by the way, apparently. Fox and the Hound.
Yep.
Looks quite cool. Jax would like that probably. Cheeky puppy.
We'll put it next to him because he'll sleep and put it on the ground. Put it on the ground.
The next one we have is Logopolis.
But that's a Doctor Who.
Doctor Who. So shout out to you, Heath, for liking Doctor Who.
Right, okay.
Starring Tom Baker. The next one we got was The Talons of Wen Chai.
Talons of Wen Chai, yep.
And it's Doctor Who, so again,
Starring Tom Baker.
Heath, thanks for supporting us. Doctor Who Robot.
That's not a robot, is it, Molly?
I was pretending to be one. The next one my mum doesn't want me to watch. Bambi. Bambi.
Bambi.
I don't even know what that's about.
It's about a deer called Bambi.
Well, no, I know he's called Bambi. Right. And my dad didn't realise he picked up 2 Aladdins.
But I did. So
But
there
he
you go.
managed to pick up 2 Aladdins.
It's because of different cases, I didn't know. Hey, there you go. 2 different artworks.
We also seen Oliver Twist.
Mm-hmm.
And so immediately I dropped down and went, "Please sir, can I have some more?" And then the guy turns around and goes, "More? Did you hear that, everyone?
He wants more.
He wants more!" Next one we got was Snow White. This is a random one pickup. But I read this book. Might want to watch it maybe.
You can, you've not got a video player.
Yeah, we do.
You don't.
Watch it here.
Okay.
Next one, my brother would like to see Peter Pan.
Mm-hmm. Do you want a video player in your room, do you?
No.
No.
I want a DVD player in my room. I want a 4K in my room. But I can't, I don't have 4K, so
There you go.
I want everything in my room at the moment. So, Peter Pan. It's good. And then Sleeping Beauty.
There you go. So that was my VHS pickup. So show what else I picked up this week.
So we also picked up Public Enemies.
Yep, with Johnny Depp. I think I paid £1 for it. I think.
Johnny Depp, Christian Bale. Okay. He's so cute. Now this is something that my brother loves. Is what she's addicted to at the moment. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
But they're bad movies.
We've got the original. We've got the sequel, The Secret of Ooze, and we've got the third one.
Yep.
Turtles in Time.
Got that.
Next one we got is Avatar.
That's 3D Panasonic release that you can't buy
How do we get it then?
because it was the charity shop. But you can't buy it.
So you can't buy it.
You couldn't buy it when you were. I think if you look at the back, what does it say?
Panasonic exclusive.
For promotional use only. Right, Molly, let's go.
Titanic.
3D.
I seen that in history. And the first scene, I fell in love with Leonardo DiCaprio. I fell in love with him. I mean it. I'm a big DiCaprio lover. We've got Star Wars: The Empire Strikes Out. Mallrats.
Yep, got that too.
Last couple. Red Dwarf 2.
Got that one yet.
Monster Brawl. Mad Max 2 copper case.
That's why I got it, because it's a copper case for my copper case collection. Yeah, I like the ones.
24. Season 7.
That's right, I think I've got that one. I'm pretty sure I have, but I got that to trade. So there you go.
Yeah, with that, give me baby. That was my fault for putting it in your way.
So we got Molly.
We've also got Space, Series 1 and 2, plus bonus discs of unseen material.
I've never seen that, but it's got Simon Pegg in it, so thought we'd get that since we just watched a bit of Mission Impossible Fallout the other day as Benji.
What's that?
South Park.
South Park 7. Zoe. The complete 17th series.
There you go. Got that too. I got this one because Vin Diesel's in it.
And John Travolta.
Oh, it's no, that's no, sorry, this next one has got Vin Diesel in it. What's that one?
A Civil Action.
Uh-huh.
This is the one with
That was 25p, so was this
Find
one?
Me Guilty.
Yeah, and that's Find Me Guilty with Vin Diesel.
Stop or my mum will shoot.
Now, I think this one, to be fair, is of somebody in a care home. You know why I think it's of somebody in a care home that's maybe passed away? Because it's got their name inside. On there.
Next one we have is Remember My Name.
No, it's Breaking Bad.
Breaking Bad.
The complete 5th season, it's just missing its cover. Yep, complete 5th season.
The complete series.
Are you enjoying your tattoo?
My brother wanted me to put one on before my birthday, so I put one on. CEX.
Right, okay.
And a guy, funny story, we were in CEX and this guy came up to me and went, "Nice tattoo there." Do you remember that? It was a worker as well. Exorcist?
What, Molly?
Exorcist.
It's The Exorcist, the beginning, not The Exorcist. Oh well, right, let's move on for that one. I've not seen you got me saying it. What was you said called it, Molly?
Exorcist.
It's The Exorcist in the beginning. I've not seen that one. There you go. And I got
That's
another.
making me laugh too much, Jackson.
And I got another clipper case.
Get Carter.
That's right.
The truth hurts.
It
really does.
Right, put them away for just now.
I'm doing that at the end.
Yeah.
Next one we got was The Fifth Element.
I got that today. Not bad for £2. The Fifth Element. Very happy with that.
And it's a PG. Which means
I've always wanted to see this one film that's coming up. I've not seen it yet.
The Legend of Tarzan.
Yep, I got that for £2 as well.
Look at Mum.
So, got that one there. So that's good. I've got that one
So now
there.
we've got
So
a wee bit more of
wait just now, Molly. Somebody asked me a couple of days ago for some UV codes out of ones that I just got from Poundland, and I did see it and I said, listen, I normally use the digital codes. You know what? I'm actually getting fed up with using them because there's so many different formats and so many different things. Now, if you guys can make use of these and if you want to use them, then do that. So there's going to be Molly's going to show you quite a few, and she'll hold them up to the camera there. And if you want to use them, then that's fine.
The first one we have is Focus.
You hold them good, Molly. I'll have to do this myself probably. There you go, you just read them out and then I'll put them down here. Right, what's next, Molly?
Monuments Men.
The Monuments Men. Hope you guys can see that alright. Right, what's next, Molly?
Kick-Ass 2.
Right, hopefully you guys see that one too.
This Is the End.
Oh, that one's tiny.
Mom, this one. Intense.
So now the camera, no focus on this one.
Read it out.
Right, so this is the end, and you can redeem this at sonypictures.com, and the code is TTB3PZUFJABYXX64, and it's sonypictures.com you free redeem. There you go. What's next, Molly?
Reel 2.
Right, I'll just read this one out too, because my camera's not focusing, and that is redeem at foxredeem.com, and it's 38190 349 941 76560. Right, what's next, Molly?
Hitman. Hitman Agent 47.
Right, there we go.
Ride Along. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
The Amazing Spider-Man 2. Got it?
Looks alright, yep.
Next one we have is... don't know that one.
What does it say? Doesn't say, does it?
Let me see. Don't know what that movie is, guys.
I don't know what I took that one out of.
Just show it and get
Right, we'll give it a go.
Is
No, it's
that
Taken
mission-
2.
Taken 2. Oh, aye.
There you go, right, that's fine. So that's all the digital codes, guys. Right, do you
Can you use that for your job? So that was the video. Hope you enjoyed. Got a pink puppy that stayed for the whole video. We had a few interruptions, but never mind that. We've had a good birthday. Hope you guys have a good day. Not very good weather.
And we've done very well on our subscribers lately, haven't we?
We got 52 the last time we checked.
That's great, eh?
Doing a lot better.
Right, so if you like...
If you like this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up.
I'm going to bed.
Oh, okay. So, like it, give it a big fat thumbs up. Comment down below any thoughts or feelings, or if you liked any of the movies, or if you used a digital code when you were ready, and subscribe to the channel because we're doing really, really well. We're so close to 100. Let's make it to 100 before the end of the year. Bye, guys.